Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kaspa. We're currently in a bear market, but the altcoin market has been catching a rally to the upside on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and Kaspa has been pumping in the last 1 year. This is one of the few altcoins that has had huge pumps despite the fact that we're deep in the crypto bear market. If we go on a yearly time frame, Kaspa is still up over 2000%. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Kaspa US dollar price chart. We'll be looking at how high Kaspa can go in 2023. We'll continue pumping to higher prices. If we start dumping to Goblin Town, where will Kaspa find support? How low can we go before the end of 2023? We'll also be looking at Kaspa's performance against Bitcoin, Kaspa's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Kaspa's market cap. We currently sits around $90 million. We have seen Kaspa's market cap get to an all-time high of $145 million. We have seen Kaspa's market cap get to an all-time high of $143 million in November 2022. Can Kaspa's market cap break into new all-time highs before the end of 2023? If we start dumping to Goblin Town, how low can the market cap go before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, the altcoin market is catching a rally to the upside starting 2023 on a very bright note. Even though we're deep into Goblin Town, deep in the bear market, we saw altcoins dump into Goblin Town in 2022. Kaspa has been one of the shining lights in the bear market, pumping to higher prices. Kaspa is still up more than 2,200%, even though we're deep in the bear market. How high can Kaspa go before the end of 2023? We saw Kaspa pumping from the lows in June 2022 when it was trading around the $0.0002. Kaspa rose to an all-time high of $0.0094 by November 2022, going up more than 4,000% in the bear market. Is stuff of legend. Very few altcoins can boast of pumping that hard in the bear market, but Kaspa has been one of those altcoins. We saw this altcoin launch in June 2022, and we've seen it rally to new all-time highs before the end of the year. Now, Kaspa is launching the bear market, and where altcoins are dumping the bear market. Now, will Kaspa continue pumping as we're seeing other altcoins start pumping right now in 2023? You always want to remember that anytime we see altcoins pumping to the moon very quickly, there's always going to be a long period of dump. There's always going to be a long period of reaccumulation. We have seen it with other altcoins. We have seen Phantom have this kind of huge pump. We have seen Solana have this kind of huge pump. We have seen Matic have this kind of huge pump. We have seen Sand, Mana, and the list goes on. A lot of altcoins have this kind of huge pump to the upside in their first bull market. But when we come to their first bear market, what happens? We see them dumping to Goblin Town. You can see Phantom is still down 91% from that all-time high. If you look at Sand, Mana, all those coins lost more than 90% of their value after having this kind of huge runs. So right now, as we're pumping to higher prices, you don't want to be foaming into some Kaspa. If you're going to be holding Kaspa till the end of the next bull run, that's a good idea. But guys, you want to pay attention to what Kaspa is doing in this bear market, because if we see Kaspa losing the $0.0044 level, we might see Kaspa dumping further down to Goblin Town. And since all coins are known to notoriously dump in the bear market, and all coins are very volatile, you can see Kaspa losing 90% from its all-time high. Maybe at some point in time in the bear market, we might even see Kaspa come down, losing more than 94% from its all-time high. That is normal for all coins. Will that happen in 2023, or will that happen way into the future? But what is sure that to happen is that at some point in time, we are going to see Kaspa dumping to Goblin Town. Right now, we've caught a bounce off the $0.0044 level. Kaspa is rallying to higher prices. We might see Kaspa facing some rejection when we get back to the $0.0065 level. From where Kaspa is currently trading right now, that will require Kaspa pumping an additional 17% for us to get there. Guys, We have seen Kaspa pumping to the moon, but when we start dumping to Goblin Town, we should expect that it's going to happen, and that's when you want to be accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. Because all the smart investors that are buying some Kaspa in the bear market in 2022 June, when we saw all coins tanking to Goblin Town, they are those smart investors that are selling their Kaspa at the top of the market right now. So all people that are buying Kaspa thinking we're going to the moon, ask yourself, if you're buying some Kaspa right now, how high do you see Kaspa going to before the end of 2023? Because Kaspa is still up more than 2,000% from the bottom. Kaspa is up around 2,500% from the bottom in July 2022. Do you think Kaspa will continue pumping to the moon? For you to get another 2,500% pump in Kaspa, if you are buying some right now, you will need Kaspa to continue pumping to the moon, and for you to get the same percentage of profits that those smart investors that bought deep in the bear market have gotten, Kaspa will need to pump to the $0.14 level. I believe Kaspa will pump that high in the future, but I believe we have to also go to Goblin Town before we see that pump happening. Right now, Kaspa is way up in the moon, and smart investors are cashing out. So if you're holding some Kaspa right now in the bear market, you want to be taking some profit so that you can accumulate more when we start dumping to Goblin Town. Now, if you see Kaspa losing this crucial support level and we start dumping to Goblin Town, other levels where Kaspa might find support in the bear market, we might see Kaspa finding some support around the $0.0013 level. And from where Kaspa is currently trading right now, that will mean we'll see Kaspa dumping an additional 76%. Nobody wants to hear that all coin is going to dump in the future. Nobody wants to hear that Kaspa might dump to Goblin Town. But guys, that's just the truth. Even when we were pumping to new all-time highs, we still saw Kaspa dumping to Goblin Town. We saw Kaspa go down more than 72%, and that was when it was pumping to the moon. Now, imagine what Kaspa will do when we're dumping to Goblin Town. We have different phases of the market cycle. We have the accumulation period where smart investors are buying, and nobody wants to buy when smart investors are buying. Then we have the markup period when smart investors are done buying, and we see the prices going up very, very quickly. Now, after we have the markup period, that's when you hear retail investors shouting, we're going to the moon, everything is pumping to new all-time highs. But that's exactly the same time where smart investors that bought right here are distributing to retail investors. They are selling all their positions, and that's why if you take a look at Kaspa's volume, you see that we have the most volume after we have pumped to the moon. When smart investors were accumulating right here in the bear market, you can see that Kaspa barely had any volume. So after distribution, what happens next? We'll see a markdown period, and that's why I'm telling you guys, let's not be shocked to see Kaspa dumping to Goblin Town in 2023. If you take a look at some details about Kaspa, in the last 1 year, this altcoin has gone from as low as $0.00016 to as high as $0.0009. Kaspa has a maximum supply of 28 billion coins, a total supply of over 15.8 billion coins, and we have more than 15.8 billion coins in circulation. If you take a look at Kaspa's market cap, currently sitting around $90 million with a fully diluted market cap of $164 million. Kaspa is ranked 239 on CoinMarketCap with over 24,000 people having Kaspa on their watch list. Kaspa is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency which implements the GHOSTDAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchain, GHOSTDAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and order them in consensus. The Kaspa blockchain is actually blockDAG. The generalization of Nakamoto consensus allows for secure operation while maintaining very high block rates. Where can you get some Kaspa if you want to get some in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? If you believe Kaspa will continue pumping to higher prices and we're not going to dump to Goblin Town in 2023, you can buy some Kaspa on MEX, on CoinEx, on TradeBit, on TraderOrge. If you take a look at Kaspa's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have seen Kaspa set new all-time highs even though we're in a bear market. But guys, you want to be careful with Kaspa right now after we have seen this altcoin pump more than 2,000% in the last 1 year. From here, it might just be down only. We saw Kaspa outperforming Ethereum by more than 5,000% in a bear market. We also saw Kaspa outperforming Bitcoin by more than 5,000% in the bear market. I will not be shocked to see Kaspa giving those gains back to the market. The market gives, the market takes, and right now we're in a bear market. So as we're seeing a rally to the upside, don't get carried away. Don't go and FOMO thinking we'll continue pumping to higher prices forever. Yes, I believe Kaspa will set new all-time highs in the future, but a smart play will be to protect yourself from the downside. And when we're down in Goblin Town and nobody wants to buy some Kaspa, that's when you want to swoop in and you want to be buying some on the cheap. If you take a look at Kaspa's market cap that sits at $90 million, we have seen the market cap rally up from as low as $1.8 million in October 2022, rallying up to an all-time high of $145 million. If Kaspa's market cap gets rejected around the $100 million region, I'll not be shocked to see Kaspa's market cap turn on itself. Hopefully, we'll find support at the $65 million region. If we don't, Kaspa's market cap might continue dumping to Goblin Town and maybe not finding support till we get to the $37 million region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you are holding some Kaspa right now, where do you see Kaspa heading to in 2023? Do you see us pumping to new all-time highs, or do you see us dumping to Goblin Town? If we start dumping to Goblin Town, how low do you see Kaspa going in this bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.